It's time for your springtime emergence. As new life begins to peek through the soil and streams start to flow again, so do you emerge from the quiet solitude of winter. Late winter into spring is the season of Kapha, which comes with increased presence of the elements of water and earth. Kapha represents resilience, immunity, stability, compassion, endurance, connection, and patience. But in order to access these benefits, it's important to keep Kapha balanced. So as you emerge this spring, activate your being by awakening with the sunrise and sipping some warm ginger tea to tend to your Agni first thing. Then energize by taking a morning hike as the weather warms and the birds come out to sing. Use a dry brush to invigorate your senses and move your lymph before you hop into a warm shower or bath. Prioritize fresh greens, herbs, juices, and well-spiced foods. And if you find yourself needing to clear kapha from the head, mix powdered clove with water and paint it over your sinuses. Enjoy the juicy resilience that comes with this season of emergence.